with this edition of Agenda, and we're talking about somebody who's come to be known as 1,000 crore Babu. Yes, the chief engineer of the Noida Authority, with Audi's diamond jewelry, 2 kilos worth of jewelry of gold and diamond, and a scam that is running into more than 900 crore. So he's been known as the 1,000 crore Babu. Income tax officials are questioning him as we speak, but what NDTV has learned is that even way back in 1995, not only did he manipulate all political parties, the Samajwadi Party and the BSP, but even back in 1995, he got his promotion without even having the requisite engineering degree. Take a look.
This is the order letter to make Yadav Singh senior project engineer, issued in April 1995. While the post required a basic degree in engineering, the order makes concessions for Yadav Singh to give him 3 extra years to get this degree. A concession which is opposed by many others like A.K. Goel, a project engineer who in this 1997 letter complains against such a promotion. It was this rise that led to acquisitions of so many assets: a luxury car, diamonds worth 100 crore rupees, 2 kilos gold and 10 crore rupees in cash. The Income Tax Department also found 40 fake companies in his wife's name. And while Uttar Pradesh government has shifted Yadav Singh to Noida's CEO's office till investigations against him are complete, he will no longer run the Noida, Greater Noida and Yamuna Expressway authorities. The Akhilesh Yadav government failed to explain why Yadav Singh was reinstated despite corruption charges and suspension.
This lavishly built bungalow here in Sector 51 of Noida is one of the many properties owned by Yadav Singh. Well, the car from which 10 crores were discovered was parked right outside this house when discovered by the IT department. The extent of the ill-gotten wealth of Yadav Singh can be fathomed perhaps from the fact that even after 120 officials of the IT department raided 20 different places, they still do not have a full idea of the spread of the ill-gotten wealth of Yadav Singh.
And so I just wanted to show our viewers, before we go to our panelists, before we get the Samajwadi Party to react, this particular letter is that letter of 1995 which says and shows, and it's the order promoting him to project engineer, which was of course also lots of complaints came in from his seniors that how did he get promoted, and it says that don't worry, you have 3 years to get your engineering degree. So it is quite interesting. So our panel today to answer questions about that, we have Gaurav Bhatia of the Samajwadi Party. We also have over here Mr. A.N. Singh. He used to work with the Noida Authority in the UP government. We have Ashutosh of Transparency International, and they are going to release their corruption index, worldwide corruption index, which we'll get to know. It's embargoed till then, so he can't tell us whether India is doing better now. And Pranav Sachdev, somebody who's working, a Supreme Court lawyer who's working with the black money case. Now, first question, of course, and our first talking point really is that how is it that Yadav Singh thrived for all these years, that despite corruption cases against him, despite various things, there really isn't, nothing has phased him out. Till 2014, till now, when there are income tax raids, nothing has phased him. He also had a red corner notice. So, Gaurav Bhatia, how is it that he's been patronized by all netas?
So Netra, I refute these facts that you're placing, and please give me some time to place the correct facts. I don't think you were aware that when the SP government was sworn in March 2012, it was the SP government, within 1 month we suspended him, and we also registered an FIR against him in April 2012 itself. He remained suspended for 2 years. And it's a well-known fact, and your journalist would tell you that he has close nexus with the brother of BSP Supremo. It's a well-known fact. So he flourished in the BSP regime. He was suspended in the SP government, and he remained suspended for 2 years. But after the investigation, no concrete evidence was found against him. And I'm talking about 2014,
just to interrupt you and tell you,
when
not
he
2
was
years,
reinstated
he came
5
back
months back.
in 2013. Yeah, he came back in 2013. So not 2 years, 2013 he was back.
He came back in December 2013. December 2013.
Okay. And why?
And he was suspended in April 2012.
Okay, so the
So-
cases went away.
So most of the period of the SP government, he remained suspended and also investigation was going on. But when the outcome of the investigation was that there isn't enough evidence against him, it is not prudent on any government's part or the investigating officer's part to still proceed. And that is why, you know, the government had to take the stand, whatever they did, and they
Okay, Mr.
reinstated
Bhatia,
him.
just a quick
Secondly,
question.
now it has been clarified by the government, and I am also making a statement.
Yeah, I just want to
Let
ask
me
you.
just complete myself,
Okay, go
Sunitra.
ahead, go ahead.
That the income, the government has already stated that a report from the income tax department has been sought, and if required, another case would be registered on the basis of the evidence we will get from the income tax authority, and he will not be spared. As of now, again, he has been relieved of his duties. He has no charge, and he is not officiating in any of the authorities.
Okay, okay, fine. That's what the UP government stands. Pranav Sachdev, as someone who has been part of all these corruption crusades, I think you have been on many of them, from the coal scam to the black money case. I want to ask you, is it, you've heard the explanation of the UP government, does it then justify? Fine, they're saying not much evidence was found, that's why he was restated in 2013, but is it okay to reinstate him with as chief engineer of such important projects as Yamuna Expressway of the Noida authorities?
The explanation given by Mr. Gaurav Bhatia does not wash at all, because he was not only reinstated, he was promoted, given important positions.
Right.
This shows the political patronage that has been given to him. And why was no evidence found? Under who the police is working? Now, IT department has found so much wealth lying with him. Now, that's a straight case of disproportionate assets for which he can be convicted on the basis of existing evidence is enough for a conviction.
You feel so?
Yes. Now the IT department is under the central government, which belongs to a different party.
Now, can
therefore,
I
has been
answer?
able to
I
unearth,
can always answer that.
wealth. The fact that UP police failed shows large-scale patronage, and this case also shows that the fact that he was able to award large-scale contracts of construction contracts of worth thousands of crores to contractors of his choice without any proper transparent tendering shows that he was given patronage by the state government.
Yeah, you wanted to respond to that, Gaurav Bhatia, quickly.
Yeah, I think there is a difference between investigation and conviction. Now, if these things have come to light, an action can always be taken by the state government, and I hope my learned friend is also paying attention to what I am saying, that a case would be registered and a report is awaited from the income tax department. I also heard you saying that he was in chief of 3 authorities. Let me tell you that for the 2 authorities, he had taken charge only 20 days back, because the person who was holding the office had retired 20 days back. It was a temporary arrangement. He wasn't given the charge of Greater Noida Authority
Yeah, but
or
then Gaurav
Yamuna
Bhatia,
Expressway
these
on
are
a
really
permanent
important
basis.
projects, and it's interesting that someone with such an interesting background is given charge of such important, assignments. So we have here Mr. Singh, and now you've heard both sides over here. As
Sunitra, let me tell you something.
No, Gaurav, just let's hear other
Let me
people
tell
out
you
as well, and I'll come
that
back to you for
giving
response.
of additional charge.
Yeah. So, Mr. Singh, I wanted to ask you, as someone who has been in Noida Authority, what do you make of something like this? How is it, you've heard what he has said about how he was appointed, how is it that no background checks are done on someone who is sitting on such a crucial position and is giving out so many contracts?
Mr. Bhatia has just told that he was kept under suspension. He is a very learned lawyer, as I heard about him. Suspension is not a punishment. Suspension is only done to conduct the inquiry fairly.
Yeah.
And once, as he told just to you, that he was exonerated by the inquiring authority.
Yeah. So I wanted to get your
No, just
okay.
if has been not charged, why he has been assigned all the authority charge? He should have been kept into abeyance because he is telling that he was the popular favorite officer of the past government.
Of the BSP, yes.
You might have reinstated him, but you must not have been given any charge of any authority, because in government department
I
a lot
want
of
to
officers
ask you,
are
sir,
being
our
given.
story today has shown, NDTV has shown how there's this letter which shows that he was made. Do you have people who are project managers without being an engineer? It's okay for Noida Authority.
This depends upon the service rules. Even in government department, a junior engineer having the diploma degree can be promoted on the post of
But there are people
assistant
who are
engineer.
favored. There are people who are favored.
No. If it is mentioned in the service rule, he can be promoted.
But
on
here the service rules, as we've seen it, said 5 years of experience, and it said that has an engineering degree. So it was clear flouting.
Not only experience, the prescribed experience should be
Sunitra,
there,
now
qualification
can I please come
should be there, and
Okay.
whether this promotion is being done on the basis of seniority subject to rejection of the unfit or seniority subject to
Well,
merit.
interesting you say that, because we've also learned that A.K. Goel, who was a senior person, he has given the list of people and he wasn't as senior. Now I want you to come in over here as part of Transparency International. Is this a copybook case that you see, and why is it that Noida Authority has seen other people as well? We've seen Neera Yadav, who was voted the most corrupt IAS officer. What is something happening in Noida Authority?
See, I'll put it in a way that it's not only the Noida Authority, it's happening everywhere. I mean, we should focus on the nexus, that is working on, bureaucrats, politicians, industrialists. So there are people who are protecting it. It's not, it's a very known fact. We have been talking about the black money. So what is the guarantee that the amount that has been recovered from the house of Mr. Yadav doesn't belong to another party? So there is a force which is protecting.
Gaurav Bhatia, you just heard him. Is there a force which is protecting, and it doesn't matter which political party? The nexus seems evident for a lot of people over here.
Sunitra, I think action would speak louder than words. If he was able to amass this wealth, it was during the BSP regime, as I have pointed out,
But
and
he
your
also
journalists can do the
survived your
needful.
period, is
But
what we are saying.
speaking for the state government, we will just bear with me. Please let me complete. On the basis of whatever material has been collected by the IT department, we will take the appropriate action. We will, even if required, register an FIR, now investigate and book him, because there will be material with the IT department.
So right
And
now
as
you don't
correctly
think there is
pointed
material
out,
enough?
it is a fit case of Prevention of Corruption Act, where he has amassed disproportionate assets. So give us those 2, 3, 4 days,
Okay.
which is a required time to
I
take
understand.
action, and the needful will
Pranav,
be done,
is
and
there-
then judge us
Pranav,
by
is
our
there
action
evidence
rather
right now?
than
He's
by
saying,
words
let's
or
wait.
assurances.
Do you think we should wait? Is there grounds to act immediately?
Yes, I've learned that so far they have not even suspended him, and they have appointed him to some other post, and they have just merely transferred him. Actually, to be fair to them, this is the
That is
problem
not
which
correct,
is
Sunitra.
occurring in all state governments.
All state governments. It's not
when
just
we
UP.
saw Haryana land scam. It's the entire nexus between the bureaucrats, the builders, and this real estate with the black money. As you
Okay.
said.
So let's just take a short break now. When we come back, let me just tell you that our audience has lots of bureaucracy aspirants. We also have lots of people from Noida. We will speak to them in just a bit. Stay with us.